Hey, Mr. McCauley here. Hope you guys are doing well. And I'm going to show you how to use a spreadsheet to make a table for the Olympic medal totals for different countries. Um, so in this little video, I'm going to show you some of the advantages of using a spreadsheet. First of all, a lot of nice boxes here. One great thing for us for a spreadsheet is it really nicely organizes different pieces of data into a table. So today our data has to do with the Olympics. So I'm going to do a list of countries. Will be here. I'm going to say how many gold they have. I'm going to say how many silver medals they have. And finally, how many bronze or third place they have. Now, I also want a total, make a total of all the medals here. Now, I'm also going to show you later in the total column how to use the spreadsheet like a calculator. It kind of has all these hidden functions inside here. It's a little bit of the advanced part of it, but I'm going to show that to you. Okay? So, for example, the country that won the most was the USA. They had a whopping 46 gold, 37 silver, and 38 bronze. They did really well. In second place was Great Britain, which is quite impressive too. No, they're kind of a small country based on their landmass, the size of Great Britain, but they did really well. I think because they had the London Olympics last time around, I think it was last time around, that they really put a lot of effort into sport, and it's really showing off here. And also China. China is a huge country in terms of the number of people and the space that they have, how big the country is. So, et cetera, et cetera. I'm just writing in the amount, 26 bronze. I'm going to now show you how to do the totals within the spreadsheet. If you want to get level 4 on this assignment, you need to kind of watch this closely and try to make use the functions of the spreadsheet to calculate the totals rather than you just writing in a number. Okay, so this is the way you do it. So I'm going to stick inside here a function, and the function is shown by this kind of Greek letter here. So because it's, you might see this, but if it's kind of cut off on your screen, it'll be under the More tab. So I'm going to go inside there, and I'm going to go to one of these functions. They're giving me 5 functions here, but there are a lot more, but these are the most common one. What I want to do is I want to add 3 things together. A fancy schmancy way of saying adding is called sum. So I'm going to sum. So it's starting to build a function for me here, the sum of the brackets. So basically it's saying which of these boxes do you want me to sum up? Well, I want you to sum this one. See now, this box is called box B2. Excuse me, B2. And in the brackets it says B2. And I can also, don't let go, I'm moving over now to C2. And finally, I'm going to go all the way over to D2. So it's B2, C2, and D2 will give me the sum there. When I'm all done, I push the enter button or return, and pop! It automatically calculates that for me. So one more time, for Great Britain, I want the sum to go here. So I find the functions, I say sum, and I go pop this one, and this one, and it will give me the sum function. I also want to show you something, a little sneaky thing. As soon as you get this function working one time, as soon as it's working one time, then you can grab this little square and just drag it down, and it'll copy the function into the right thing. So we have the amount here. Oh, it's interesting that as China has more medals, but because they have so many bronze and Great Britain has more silver, they're awarded more points. So anyways, that's how you do that. I'm going to ask you to have 10 countries in here. Although on our list, I also threw Canada in there. I want you to write gold, silver, and bronze. And if you can, with my help, and if you need it, I'm going to ask you to use the built-in calculator function to sum or add to make the total. Good luck and happy spreadsheeting.